Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses, model GG0997S in color code 002. The color of the frame is black, and the lenses are gray. And these glasses are a shield shape. On the top right of the frame, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved. Its temples are black, and you'll also find the Gucci logo in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 99 is for its lens, 1 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.